Welcome to the channel. Recently, we have been hearing a lot about Tesla and how Tesla is overly valued. While I do agree with that statement, I do believe that Tesla do still have room to grow. Tesla, an electric vehicle manufacturing company that is also involved in other businesses such as charging stations, solar roofs, power grids, and so on, has announced plans to enter the restaurant business. Let's take a look at why Tesla is getting into the restaurant business, which is an industry that has a market of over $866 billion. With that out of the way, please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this. Firstly, let's look at the main questions to be asked here. 1. When did all this started? What are the latest news? 2. Reason Tesla is entering restaurant industry. 3. Future plans and strategy of Tesla restaurant. And conclusion. Latest news. Elon Musk's Tesla recently registered a trademark for its brand in the restaurant industry. The Californian company sees this as a sign to enter the restaurant business. The company has applied for 3 new trademarks with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The application, which was submitted on May 27, 2021, has yet to be approved and will be reviewed during the month of August. Brand logo and trademarks for Tesla restaurant. The company intends to use its T logo design in conjunction with 2 other iterations of the stylish Tesla logo for the food industry. The company has registered trademarks in 3 categories: restaurant services, self-service restaurant services, pop-up restaurant services, and takeout restaurant services. 2. Reason Tesla is entering restaurant industry. Tesla's charging stations would be one of the primary reasons for the company's entry into the restaurant industry. It should be noted that charging their electric vehicle will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes, during which time people will want to grab a cup of coffee, use the restroom, or eat something. This could be a step toward closing the charging station gap. However, Tesla's chief technology officer announced in September 2017 that the company intends to open a convenience store in its supercharging stations. Elon Musk announced in 2019 that he intends to open a retro fast food restaurant at one of Tesla's supercharging stations in Los Angeles. Elon Musk had previously tweeted that he planned to install an old-school drive-in, roller skates, and a rock restaurant at one of Tesla's new supercharging stations. Tesla also has a supercharging station in Kettleman City, which is one of the busiest supercharging stations. 3. Future plans and strategies of Tesla restaurant. Tesla had opened a couple of charging stations the year before that provided snacks and beverages to car owners who charged in the charging stations. In the same year, a Tesla executive speaking at the Food Service Tech Conference stated that the restaurant business would be a good fit for the company. However, the executive added that the company does not intend to open a restaurant on its own, but rather to collaborate with partners who are already in the industry. The trademark application indicates that the company has a different strategy and appears to be planning to open restaurants under the Tesla brand using the same logo. Elon Musk recently tweeted that he would like to open a retro restaurant at the supercharger station. He tweeted that a new supercharging station is coming to Santa Monica, California, and that he is looking forward to playing 50s diners and 100 best movie clips. It should be noted that Tesla applied for permits in March 2018 to open a restaurant in Santa Monica, California. 4. Conclusion. Tesla has over 25,000 supercharging stations worldwide. The Tesla restaurant concept, on the other hand, would garner a lot of attention and is expected to draw a sizable crowd. The company has a large network and expects to sell 500,000 cars by 2020. That's all for today's video. Hopefully the Tesla able to build its restaurants empire successfully. Thank you for watching this video.